What's up, you guys? We are up here at Frank's and Sons Collectibles with the fam bam. Let's go. Wear those all day. Sky, you gonna say nothing?
Yeah.
See, you can see. That's why I'm not supposed to see. That's why I can't do with Jalen. You don't care. We got a boom. We out here. So we were at Frank's and Sons, chilling in this long line that we barely just got to the front of, right? So we're gonna go up in here and check it out.
Go check it out.
Right now, waiting for the last home stretch, as you guys can see. We're right there. Where the little T-pit is at, we're right there. You would not believe this fucking line, you guys. Look around the corner, up the side of the other wall, and around that wall as well. That's how long we've been in a line for. But it's definitely worth it. So we're gonna go up in there and check it out. Yes, yes. My son's been Mr. Cool. Look at me. I almost put him. What's the name with my head? I got my daughter right here. Subscribe to her channel. Babe, what's up? Oh, now you want to be a part of it? Get out of here. We got Kai over here. I think he's cool with the Naruto. Julian, what are you doing? What? Mr. Monkey Man.
Mr. Monkey.
Yeah. Mr. Monkey Man.
Mr. Monkey Man.
We're just waiting for the line to move right now. It's all his fault. All your fault. You know, some people say, you need a professional camera. Well, this is a professional camera. My phone. Look at the clarity of that. Come on, bro. This is the front-facing camera. Look at that. Look at all those fucking cars. Sorry, you guys. All those cars. It's crazy.
Show everyone address.
Address? Ain't no address. What are you talking about? Look, the line is moving. It's moving. The line is moving. It's moving. What the fuck is this? What is this? What's this? They just made up a loop right here, as you can see. I do not understand this. The point of this little small loop that they just performed on us. If they would have went down there, I would have been like, I'm leaving. Juju, get over here. Wait, Julian, wait. Juju. Juju, you gotta stay with us. You can't just. Okay, anyway, we're in here. As you can see, we are in the building.
Nothing.
We are in the building. Oh, already coming in with the mask. Look at that one. Oh, got the dope mask. Got the crazy dog, Caleb. Say hi to the camera, Caleb. Oh, look at painting. Boom.
I want to go into these.
Okay, hold on.
Look at those paintings. It's freaking awesome.
We got God and Kill one.
Where?
Freaking awesome.
We got Sasuke.
They have the whole squad.
We got Play-Doh.
Look at the Pokemon one.
We got Haikyuu.
So dope.
We got my hair.
We got all.
Super dope. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video because I'm too excited. I just want to make a quick short video of the spot. We're located in the City of Industries. This is Frank's and Sons Collectibles.